Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix the connection to site is not secure Chrome error. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the Chrome browser on your PC and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Now, click on the three dots icon at top right corner of your screen and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Now, select the Privacy and Security option located inside the left side menu and access the Security tab. Here, scroll down a little bit till you get to the Advanced tab. Now change the DNS to Google Public DNS and check if the problem is solved. If it isn't come back to this page, change the DNS back to the default one and toggle off this feature. Now, check if the problem is solved, but if it still persists, you can try removing the S from the HTTPS link. I will show you how to do it. Simply open the website you want to access and remove this S from the link and your problem will be solved. So that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.